Welcome to BlackHatBD, where cyber intelligence meets real-world data. In this video, I will show you a powerful tool that can find unlimited Tier 1 leads and extract deep OSINT data from multiple sources, including identity, phone, email, financial data, and country-wide datasets. If you work with research, cyber intelligence, penetration testing, data verification, or lead generation, this tool changes the game. Tool available Telegram on Shadow the Master. And yes, it also finds unlimited Tier 1 leads: USA, UK, France, Germany, Canada. Active buyers and data you can actually work with. This is not a toy, and it's not just another scraper. It's a full cyber intelligence suite designed for researchers, analysts, and operators.